Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to implement carousel slider and smooth page indicator package by using Cubit in Flutter. Okay, I have created this new Flutter project and I have opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the leaf folder, and inside the leaf folder let's create new file. Let's say homepage .dart file, and here let's create new stateless widget and let's send the class name to homepage. Let's return here scaffold. Okay, save it and open up the main.dart file, and let's delete this stateless widget. Okay, and let's create new stateless widget and let's send the class name to my app. Okay, now here let's return material app. Now give the home, that home page we have just created, and you will get this blank white screen. Now let's remove this banner also by making this debug show check mode banner false inside the material app. Okay, now close this main.dart file and open the browser and search for smooth page indicator. Click on this package in the pub.tip. Okay, and click on the install tab. Okay, now copy this command line, or you can just copy this and add to the dependency in the pubspec.yml file. I'm going to run this command in the terminal to add this package in our Flutter project. Okay, this package is for indicator. You can see the readme for these properties. Okay, now go to the pub.dev again and search for carousel slider. I'm going to use this package to make the carousel slider. Click on it and click on the installing tab. Okay, and copy this command and run this command in the terminal in the project directory. Now if you open up the pubspec.yml file, as you can see, this two new packages has been added to our Flutter project. Okay, now let's add the Flutter block package also. Run this command flutter pub add Flutter block. Okay, now if you open up this pubspec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Okay, now go to the readme tab, roll down, and here you can see the documentation to use that carousel slider. In the scaffold in the home page, let's create the column in the body of the scaffold and children. Okay, now here let's type carousel to this one, carousel slider. Okay, in the item you can put the list of widgets. Let's make it blank for now, and for the option, put this properties carousel options. Okay, you can give the height, aspect ratio. You can also give the initial page. Okay, and autoplay true. You can control the slider over from here. Okay, now inside the leaf folder, let's create a new folder. I'm gonna say images folder, and I'm just going to put the network image. Let's create new file here. Let's say image list.dart file. Okay, now let's create the variable image list. Okay, list of, let's create the list of string. Okay, let's put some let's grab the some images from the Amazon. Okay, let's go to the amazon.com and search for some images and open this image in the new tab in the browser. I'm going to copy this. It's in JPG format, and also another image. Let's copy this one also and put it here. Similarly, copy the link, image link, and paste it like this. Okay, wait, three images. We have three images in the list. Okay, now over here, let's get that list, image list, and here's the list of widgets. Now map it. Return the image.network and give the image list here. Okay, and change this to list. Okay, we're mapping this image list. Okay, and give the element here. Okay, and turn this to list again. Okay, this element is the single string. Okay, here you go. Here is our slider. Now let's make main axis element to center. Perfect. Now here let's give the height. Let's give the height of 400. Okay, let's make the autoplay to true, and it will start playing automatically. Perfect. Now inside the lib folder, let's create another folder. Let's say let's say um, qubits, and let's create new file. Let's say page index qubit .tar file, and here let's type cu, and you can create the qubit class like this. You have to install this package, block package, to use the shortcuts of the to create the qubit. Okay, let's change the class name to page index qubit and import the flutter block package, this one, and make it int, and initially let's set the page to 0. Okay, now let's create the function. Let's say void change page, and we pass the integer. Let's say selected index. Okay, and now emit this new index. Initially it is 0. Okay, this is mods for the qubit part. Now open the homepage.dart file. First of all, open up the main.dart file and let's keep the provider, block provider here. Let's copy this metro app and let's return here multi-block provider or block provider. Keep the list of provider here, block provider, and give that page index Cubit here. Okay, return that one. And for the child, let's paste that code. Material app, remove the semicolon and put the semicolon here. Okay, perfect. Okay, now open the homepage.dart file and below here, let's keep the size box. Give the height of 20. Okay, perfect. Now type block builder. Let's return here animated smooth indicator. This one we have installed this package earlier. I mean we have added this package earlier. Okay, this is coming from that package, and you can give the active index from the state. Right here, this one page index. Give the page index qubit here and give the type it's a integer. Okay, give the state here, and this state will give us the current state. Okay, currently initially it is 0. Okay, and give the state here. This is going to be active index, and give the total length of the images from this list. Okay, now here below here, let's give the effect. Let's give the effect ohm effect for the indicator. Give the dot height. Let's give the dot height to 14 and dot width to 14 also. You can give the dot colors. Let's give the dot colors dot gray dot shade 500 and give the active dot color. This is going to be dot color. Let's give blue. Let's give this one blue accent. Save it. And we got the error here. So, I got this error because I have to lower down the version of the smooth page indicator because I'm currently using the quite older Flutter version. Okay, save it and stop the app and let's run the app again. This state is the integer, as you can see if you were about to state. Okay, here we go. Okay, currently it's not showing the correct index to the animated smooth indicator because we have to provide the updated index to the carousel slider also. So here let's inside this option here we have to give the on page changed. This will provide the current active index. Okay, now here come up here. Let's initialize the qubit. Let's say page qubit context dot read. Provide here that qubit and give the current index here. Page qubit. Okay. Change page. Okay. Give the pass the index from here. Okay, update the state from here. And let's save it and let's reload the app. And as you can see, this is how you can implement the carousel slider with the page indicator in Flutter and with the Qubit Flutter block state management. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.